Okay, my fans, make we talk about gas law. Among the plenty gas law wey dey, the one we wan talk about na Charles law. The question say 400 cm cube of a certain gas. If you dey prepare for JAMB, WAEC, make una pay attention to this question. At constant pressure, anytime we carry eye see constant pressure, just know say na Charles law you talk about. Wetin be Charles law? Charles law states say, may I use English? The volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to the temperature, provided the pressure is kept constant. I don't want to talk about any other law. Make we just maintain what we dey do. Which I talk, provided the pressure is kept constant, the volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to the temperature. So now volume and temperature. Now make you see the question say 400 cm cube. Nobody go tell you say this one now volume, because volume get different units wey we dey use dey talk about them. I don't want to spend time for this video, so I make I dey go straight. Had a temperature of 27 degrees. At what temperature in Kelvin? Now they know the talk say make you make sure say your temperature there in Kelvin. I will teach you how to convert this one now. I will convert this 27 degrees Celsius or centigrade to Kelvin scale. So we will do our temperature in Kelvin. Will it occupy 800? They don't give us another volume. Make I show you how they take solve this kind of chemistry question. Maybe say within 30 seconds, you don't solve and finish. Solution. If this question come for JAMB this year, just do V1. You suppose don't know all these things. V1 equal to 400 cm cube. Some people will say, instructor, are you not going to change the cm cube, centimeter cube to meter cube? They give the second one for cm cube, so leave it like that. You enter. If they say they give this one in cm cube, they can't give this one in dm cube. You understand? You can't give the reason say it's either you convert this one to dm cube, make two of them there in dm cube, or convert one to cm cube, make you work on cm cube. Sure, you understand? If this one there in liters and this one, or maybe they in milliliters and this one's there in cm cube, you must convert. We will not talk plenty. I know one verse. No, it's not the verse. Don't mind me. Okay, yeah. V1 equal to this one. We say again. Wait a minute. Hard temperature. The first temperature we then give will be T1 equal to 27. I tell you now, when you see 27 degrees Celsius, convert them. To convert from degree Celsius to Kelvin scale, you just got to use this formula. 0 degree Celsius plus, I mean at 273. When I check, like 273, anything we give you, the answer will be in Kelvin. Not going to be centigrade or degree Celsius again. You understand? So in this case, the degree Celsius where they give us now 27. You can say 27 plus 273. What will give you? Check now. What will give you? Now 300. I don't even carry calculator here. Now 300 Kelvin. Check now. Confirm for me. I no go use and solve things now. Well, I'm check. What are you talk? You carry 01, carry 8. 8 plus 2, now 10. Put 0, carry 1. Add to this one 3, now 300. So you see, I don't put them for Kelvin. So we did correct now. So make we read and go. At what temperature? That means T2. They don't give us the second temperature. Will it occupy another volume? V2 equal to 800 cm cube. Bro, don't finish without two. What you go need to do now formula. You can't go back that gas law state and say the volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional. That means V is directly proportional to the temperature, or to each temperature, how I want to put them, I don't know, provided the pressure is kept constant. So now, yeah, I'll carry home my boat. So V now, if you change this proportionality sign, it introduce equal to K. So I will come out this one, put equal to KT. If you make K the subject of a formula, if we say it is divide both side by T, divide both side by T, T will cancel. K will equal to V over T. V over T. Now be the formula now. Now from here now, when you get two volumes, two temperature, you can get the formula to be, you can get the formula to V1 over T1 equal to V2 over T2. Now we can bring that kind of thing this. And if you check here, you see you get T1, T2, V1, V2. Chop knuckle. Chop knuckle. Nice one. Yeah, drop, just hit that like button. Share this video, make it run and go. So now carry everything you put inside. If you like, since now T2 they fine, If you make T2 the subject of a formula, you know what I mean? But if you don't like and like that, make we still the solve. But I like do it like that, make it make things easier for you. If I want to make this guy stand alone, use this one, multiply this one. T1 times V2 will give us T1 V2 or V2 T1 at the same thing. So if this one cross multiply now they do this one cross multiply on this side, it can be T2 V1 equal to this one we say T1 V2. So since now T2 are defined, divide both side by V1, divide both side by V1. V1 and V1 will cancel. So you can get T2 equal to T1 V2 over V1. What will be T1? See 300 times what will be V2? See 800 over what will be V1? See 400. Anything we get, now we the final answer. And it will be in Kelvin, not degrees Celsius. See, I will first say this one, come out this one, come out this one. 4 into itself now 1. 4 into 8 now 2. 2 times 300 should be now 600 now. So the answer now 600 Kelvin for this particular